I help you, sir? American Express. Hello, American Express.
American Express now gives you an easy way to apply for membership. All you have to do is call.
Oh, American Express. Can I apply for the card over the phone?
Yes, you can. All I'll need is some information.
Great.
For those who qualify, the card comes with a world of privileges.
That didn't take long at all. Thanks.
Privileges that give you an extra measure of financial flexibility.
Should we, honey?
Well, do you like it?
I love it.
Then we'll take it.
Simply call 1-800-352-9000 to apply. Lost, stolen, or damaged. Privileges that protect the things you buy automatically for 90 days. And privileges that extend the free repair period offered under most manufacturers' warranties.
American Express? How do I apply for membership?
I can help you. I'll take the information for membership right now.
Over the phone? Great.
Privileges that include help when you need it.
Yeah, American Express. I lost my wallet, my cash, and all my cards.
Mr. Richards, we can have another card for you by tomorrow.
American Express. I'd like you to take my application for membership if you could.
I'd be glad to, sir.
Great.
New privileges that can save you up to $12 a day on the cost of car rental collision damage coverage.
Are you sure we're covered, Frank?
Positive. I charged the rental with the American Express card.
American Express? I'd like to apply for the card.
Call 1-800-352-9000. We'll take your application over the phone and start processing it right away.
That was so easy. Thank you.
And thank you for calling American Express.
On the card, sir?
No need to wrap it.
Membership has its privileges. So call 1-800-352-9000 now.
I put off telling him as long as I could.
We had just gotten married.
That I'd lost my wedding band.
We looked everywhere.
It was gone. I'd never felt so terrible in my life.
But since I bought it with my Citibank Visa, I got it replaced. Free.
At Citibank, almost everything you buy with our card is insured at no extra cost.
I was so
relieved. I never
relieved.
thought the credit card you used could be that important.
Not just Visa, Citibank Visa.
Tickets for Webb?
We interrupt this purchase for a reminder.
Here we go.
There's another decision worth entertaining.
Very smart.
Choosing the card that actually pays you cash. Cash back for every charge. The Discover card.
I'm starved.
It pays to Discover, the card that pays you back.
Next time you rent a car, use Gold Mastercard, and you're automatically protected with Master Rental. Should anything happen to the car, to you, or your family, we'll take care of it. Arrange repairs and handle payments. You just make one easy phone call anytime. That's simpler and better than American Express. Master Rental from Gold Mastercard. Piece by piece, the best gold card. Look for the...
There are a lot of gasoline credit cards, and a lot of them are the same. But this one is different. The difference is you don't pay more than the cash price. The difference is you get the best-selling gasolines in America. The difference is the people behind the card. Shell. Experience the difference.